Do you want to know the fastest way to build your confidence while speaking? Is it to find the right words? No, the fastest way to build your confidence while speaking is to replace unconscious filler with silence. The is where your pause should be. Don't beat yourself up for saying We all do it. It is even contagious in certain spaces. I don't vilify this behavior, and neither should you. I promise you, the moment I walk out of here, I'm going to say every other word. Saying unconsciously takes away your focus and splinters your attention in the present moment. Ever notice that when you say you're holding your breath, looking up, losing your train of thought? Isn't for you, it's for them. It's saying, I'll be right there, and it's subconsciously signaling urgency. Even worse, it signals to you and your audience that you don't know what you want to say next. Instead of going, I did it again, celebrate hearing the I call it an party. Once you can hear it, you can replace it with something proactive and purposeful, like pausing on purpose. Instead of looking up and saying unconsciously, I look down consciously and build in micro pauses. I call them speed bumps so that I can go forward with more intention. This helps you feel more in control and shifts both your hormonal and perceived confidence. Follow me for more tips about impromptu speaking so that you can trust your voice.